Hey, I'm Charlie. Thanks for visiting my workshop. This is where we produce a lot of our innovative products. Appreciate you tuning in to learn a little bit about our NitroStream. The interior of the nitrogen generator and the components that we have and process used starts all with the compressor. We use one of the best compressors in the industry. It's designed to run for 5 years continuously or 5,000 hours, whichever comes first. So we start with the compressor. The compressor compresses air. That compressed air then is sent up to our intercooler. The intercooler chills the air and helps to remove moisture and bring the air temperature down to an acceptable level. Once it comes out of the intercooler, we go through a coalescing filter to remove the contaminants in the air as well as the remaining moisture that may be there, so it coalesces the moisture from the air. Once it leaves the filter, then it is then run through our regulation controls, allows us to feed it to a hollow fiber membrane. This membrane is a permeation device allowing us to separate the molecules of nitrogen from compressed air, which has oxygen, slight traces of argon and CO2. As with all of our nitrogen generator systems, we've always been able to tune in the purity of nitrogen to meet brewery specifications. We use a proprietary valve that we work very closely with manufacturing to fine-tune the purity so that we can adjust purity. As in the brewery industry, there's a minimum spec of 99.7%, and we meet that by adjusting and calibrating our flow rates and purity of nitrogen. It's been refined from our previous models. It allows us to fit a more compact unit into spaces that are tighter for mounting. It can be wall mounted or counter mounted. As you'll notice, the unit has got a slim profile, and we've repositioned the dashboard to make it more convenient for visual inspections. The NitroStream has a lot of the state-of-the-art updates for technology to evaluate the flows of the gases that are being produced, as well as detection for leaks, which an operation is concerned with, as they will use a lot of gas and the unit would run continuously, as well as we'll run through a lot of CO2. We do have a built-in timer on the unit that allows us to monitor the amount of time that the unit is operating. That allows for scheduled maintenance. The unit has also got a number of features that we incorporate to save money on the unit. One of the features is the pump gas outlet. It allows us to feed beer pumps and soda, bag-in-the-box soda pumps, saving CO2. So there's a substantial gas savings by reducing the CO2 volume being consumed. So there are additional features besides nitrogen that is produced by the NitroStream unit that we have here. Stay tuned for a number of different products that we're developing and working on. Feel free to email or contact us if you have questions or interest in a specific product.